Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest news and tech videos. Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In front of me is Huawei P30 Lite and this comes in the peacock blue color with 128 gigs of memory and 4 gigs of RAM. So we'll be unboxing this right now and I will be telling you all about this phone. So I remove the plastic coating. You get a warranty card and there are some seals. Let me break that as well. So finally the seals have been broken and it's time to do the unboxing. And so this is in the peacock blue color. It looks wonderful. We just removed this back cover and just look at this beautiful baby. It's a very clean device. You can see a fingerprint reader on the back. But before we start, let's go and see what we are getting in the box. So out of the box you are getting a plastic casing for the back. As always, you're getting a SIM injection tool. So you're getting a Huawei quick charger along with a normal USB cable, and it seems it's a USB Type-C cable. And yes, the Huawei P30 Lite comes with a USB Type-C port, and there are headphones supported with the headphone jack, so that's a really good thing. And we'll just keep this on the right. So let's start off with the phone. This has a triple camera setup on the back and a fingerprint reader as well. It looks like a plastic bag to me. And on the front you are getting a drop notch with a single camera on the front and a very small speaker grill on the top, as you can see over here. There are very thin bezels to the screen. Let me set up this phone and I'll be back with more details. So I finally set up this phone, and we'll start off with the fingerprint reader first. And this is one of the fastest fingerprint reader I have seen on a device, maybe because I'm using an S10 Plus and P30 Pro, which has an in-display fingerprint reader. This felt so good. Boom. Other than that, you are also getting a facial unlock, and that's really fast as well. It just took less than a second to unlock this phone. And as you see, this is a great device. Coming to the build of this phone, you're getting the EMUI 9.0.1 with Android 9, and with this you're getting a Kirin 710 processor. This model comes with 4 gigs of RAM and a total of 128 gigs of storage. You are also getting a 6 gigs of variant as well, but that's not for the country Pakistan. This comes with a 1080 resolution screen, and overall the screen resolution is really good. So let's do a camera performance test for this phone. The P30 Lite comes with a triple camera setup on the back, and it has all the modes you're getting in a very good phone. It has the AR lenses. You can do a night mode. I will be doing a separate camera test for this. A portrait mode, a photo mode. I took some pictures and just see how good the quality of these photos are. Seems that it was taken from a really expensive $600 or $700 phone. And the best point about this phone is you are getting all of this under $400, 47,000 Pakistani rupees. And overall this is a really great package. I have just received this phone and I just made this video, so I will be using this phone for a week, and after that I will be making separate videos for a week, how this phone performed, battery wise, camera wise, how overall the gaming experience was, and I will keep you all posted. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so by pressing the subscribe button and the bell icon. As well, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I will be giving my reviews over there as well daily, on a daily basis. Till next time, take care and bye bye.